What do you see? What the future holds for the wine industry? What are the trends?
Yeah, I'm not sure. We look at this data all the time and see some things here and there. I I mean, there are definitely challenges somewhere in the world. In the US, they're just not selling enough. I think they're in many cases their prices are a little bit on the higher end. They need to work on that. I think what we're working towards is transparency in the industry, meaning, look, we'll have data and ratings on every single wine in the world to motivate everyone to make better wines. We work also more and more in retail, which means shops are putting our data on the shelves and also guiding them towards buying, which means you should take these ratings very, very seriously. This is properly what people think about your wines. So take it very seriously. So I'm just hoping that people, will drink better wines around the world.
Yeah, that's what the data shows, that we are drinking less, but we are drinking better.
Exactly.
Which is
the global wine market is somewhat flat, but yeah, the younger generation is like you say, probably drinking somewhat less but better.
Exactly, and probably these the social media and Vivino and all these communities facilitate this progress.
We've also seen that in the US, and as an example, I think this might have been global too, is that the older generation has been very set in their ways. So if you like the Napa Cabernet Sauvignon, you'll keep buying a Napa Cabernet Sauvignon. But the younger generation is much more willing to experiment, probably based on social media and maybe Vivino and so on. So they're much more willing to experiment.
Exactly. Trying new things and getting into this gamification system to try all the wine regions and grape varieties. I mean, I don't really think that it is possible to try all the grape varieties, but with the major wine regions,
you'll be drinking a lot then.
Exactly. But this, I think, is very healthy for the consumers and the wine industry as well, because this one as well democratizes a lot. People are more motivated to try new things and to discover them, because without knowing about them, it would be quite hard to try them and go out for them. I think the biggest difficulty here is the availability, because a lot of wines are very limited, like locally, which is
but it's also a little bit the nature of it, right? I mean, there is a vineyard and you can make this much. I mean, also something that makes it interesting, right? I mean, DRC is a very limited production and very few people get to try it, right?
Of course. Maybe this fact facilitates tourism more, because some wines you have to go there to try it.
Totally.
Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section and see you in the next one.